Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file for divorce in Pennsylvania. First, you need to understand the two primary types, fault and no fault. Most divorces proceed as no fault, based on mutual consent or a 2-year separation. You must also meet residency rules, typically living in Pennsylvania for at least 6 months. Gathering financial records and personal information early will streamline your entire process. This initial preparation is crucial for a smoother experience. Pennsylvania law requires at least one spouse to have lived in the state for a minimum of 6 months before filing. For a no-fault divorce, you can proceed with mutual consent, meaning both parties agree, or after a 2-year separation. If you choose a fault-based divorce, you must prove specific grounds like adultery, desertion for 1 year or more, or cruel and barbarous treatment. Understanding these distinctions is vital for your filing strategy. The first legal step is to file a divorce complaint with the Court of Common Pleas in the county where you or your spouse reside. After filing, your spouse must be formally served with the complaint and other related documents. This ensures they are aware of the proceedings. Both parties will then need to complete and submit financial affidavits, providing a clear picture of assets, debts, and income. This step is essential for equitable distribution. Once all issues are resolved, you'll finalize a marital settlement agreement, covering property division, alimony, and child custody if applicable. This agreement is a crucial document that outlines the terms of your divorce. You may need to attend court hearings or mediation to reach a full agreement. After the judge reviews everything, a final divorce decree will be issued, officially ending your marriage. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.